Polycab India Q3 FY26 results, record revenue, profit growth और business performance. Polycab India reported a strong set of Q3 FY26 results, marking its highest ever quarterly revenue, supported by sustained demand across its core businesses and continued focus on execution and brand building. For the quarter ended December 2025, revenue from operations rose sharply year-on-year, reflecting strong volume growth in the wires and cables segment along with steady improvement in the fast-moving electrical goods business. The company benefited from healthy demand across residential, commercial, and infrastructure-led consumption. Profit after tax increased meaningfully on a year-on-year basis, indicating Polycab's ability to scale operations while maintaining profitability. Despite higher operating expenses during the quarter, the company delivered solid earnings growth through operating leverage and improved mix. At the operating level, EBITDA also recorded healthy growth, supported by higher volumes and stable execution. Margins remained largely stable, even as the company significantly stepped up brand and advertising investments during the quarter. The management continues to prioritize long-term brand strength while balancing near-term profitability. A key highlight of the quarter was the sharp increase in advertising and promotional spend, reflecting Polycab's strategic push to strengthen brand visibility and expand market reach. Management views this investment as critical to sustaining long-term growth, particularly in the FMEG segment. From a segment perspective, the wires and cables business remained the primary growth driver, delivering strong year-on-year growth due to healthy domestic demand and market share gains. The segment continues to benefit from infrastructure spending, housing activity, and replacement demand. The FMEG segment also posted steady growth, supported by expanding distribution, product launches, and improved brand recall. While margins in this segment remain comparatively lower, the company continues to focus on scale, premiumization, and cost efficiency to improve profitability over time. The EPC business contributed modestly during the quarter, with execution continuing as per project schedules. The company remains selective in this segment, focusing on profitability and disciplined capital allocation. On a sequential basis, Polycab reported continued momentum over the previous quarter, indicating consistent demand conditions and stable execution across business verticals. Looking at the 9-month performance of FY26, Polycab has delivered strong cumulative revenue and profit growth, reflecting consistency beyond a single quarter. The company remains on track with its medium-term growth strategy focused on core electrical businesses. Key areas to monitor going forward include raw material cost trends, the impact of higher branding expenses on margins, demand sustainability across housing and infrastructure, and further progress in scaling the FMEG portfolio. Overall, Polycab's Q3 FY26 results demonstrate strong execution, record revenue, healthy profit growth, and a clear focus on long-term value creation, positioning the company well for the remaining part of the financial year.